Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. You're watching today's Tàijíquán Tip. And the idea here is to note the difference in the mind that you are likely to experience when you're practicing your art. So, as I might be doing here, I'm just practicing my art. I'm working on what I'm working on. I'm trying to pay attention to my principles and so forth. And I'm pretty internally directed. And I'm also referencing probably some perfected ideal of what I'm trying to be doing. But the Tàijíquán tip is to, I got the sound up here, but have a video of yourself practicing, or maybe teaching, whatever it is, and follow yourself as you practice. So this isn't to practice with yourself practicing on the video, but to follow. So as if that's the teacher or the lead student who I'm following for pace or for instruction, and make my practice there. Of course, it's going to be different because I'm going to likely have my head turned differently than it might be in my, in the actual practice as I'm keeping my eye on the screen. But mostly the idea of this is to pay attention to how your mind is different when you're following someone who you're taking instruction from than when you're internally directing yourself to follow this perfected ideal. And see what the difference is. And that might help you develop some empathy for students who are following you when you practice, whether today or someday. And let's remember, top of the head receives the whole of the sky, bottom of the feet offers to the whole of the earth. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.